How's my hair? Kind of goofy.
Kind of gross. All right. All right, everybody. It's 24th, Christmas Eve for you who celebrate it. I just got home from work and I got a big box of what are basically presents for myself. Wanted to give you a little video while I'm working on some bigger ones and show you what I got from Ashcraft Saab V4 parts. I made a big order for a few things that my Sonett needs, and these are just things that I wanted to go through with you and just kind of show you what you get when you buy from Ashcraft. And it's not sponsored or anything. First of all, I got a dipstick because my dipstick hat here is missing. So very cool refurbished dipstick. It even says Ford on it. Got a, well, save this for later. Got a lockout kit for the reverse gear. So when you're going from a third to second downshift, it's really easy to go third all the way over into reverse. And so this is a way that you can, when you install this kit, you can lock out reverse and say no reversey and stay out of that, stay out of the bad noises and keep your transmission in good condition. What else do we have in here? Bubble wrap, that'll be fun for later. Got a couple outer CV boots. It looks like there's some grease in it as well. So those are going to be good because I have very torn CV boots. Clamps with them as well. Here's the fun part. This is the big issue, and you'll see in future videos why. But I got the distributor rebuilt. So Ashcraft actually does distributor rebuilding for both early and late V4 distributors. Mine is a late one. And there we go. Ta-da! So we have a new vacuum advance canister here. And then we have, I believe he takes the whole shaft out and installs a second bushing in it so the whole shaft is more controlled and more durable in the future. If you want, he'll install the new points, cap, wires, rotor, all that stuff. But I already have that, so had him keep it. It looks like a new condenser, and basically the whole thing is gone over and rebuilt because you can't get these new anymore. So very excited to put that on. And oh, also the advance curve is updated, so it'll have a more aggressive ignition advance, a little more power. And with that comes a huge booklet of instructions for installing it, ways to tune it correctly, and all that cool stuff. So good documentation. I've gotten documentation from Ashcraft before on installation instructions. Very cool stuff and nicely illustrated. What else do we have? Ooh, that's nice and supple. Seal for the engine bay hatch. And that's completely gone on my car. So that'll be nice to have. Got fuel filler hose set because I had a little fuel filler issue, so this will be, it looks like a complete set to replace all those fuel hose issues. Then we got a rear glass half seal because that also is gone, and I had, you'll probably remember some really gross looking foam in there. So fun stuff. Yeah, I need to pay my credit card off now. But yeah, it's really great to have support like this for these old cars. And of course, Ashcraft offers, if you just search Saab V4 Ashcraft catalog, there's a catalog with it. Offers parts for the 95, 96, 97. So the 97, of course, is the Sonett. So you get the Sonett 2, the Sonett V4, and the Sonett 3, and I have the 3. Go check it out. The catalog is great. All illustrated by hand and really fun to look through even if you don't need to buy anything at the moment. One thing to be aware of is that the catalog is from, I believe, 2012. So if you're looking for parts now, the prices are probably going to be a little higher based on, depending on what you're buying. But Very cool stuff. I have to send in a core for this. But very cool that these are even available as rebuilds, because I wouldn't even know where to go for the little cap here. Anyway, have a good holiday week, season, if you've already celebrated. I hope it was great, and if you have yet to celebrate, I hope it's going to be great. So I will see you later. I've got a couple videos coming up. I have to edit them, and kind of looking forward to the weekend to getting that time to sit down on the computer and to get that out to you. All right, bye-bye.